Hi everyone, happy Monday. My name is Jeff Jones. I am a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this really short video or informative video, I found an application or an app manager in the Google Play Store called ADB TV. I just installed it yesterday and done some research, and I from the what I've seen and what I'm about to share, I did upgrade to the Pro version, which is about $5.49. This developer has created a very sleek and powerful application manager that you'll be able to use the developer options in your devices, whether that be your TVs or your TV boxes. It'll also connect to your devices seamlessly. And once you have it connected, it will create an ADB bridge, like an app direct bridge, a bridge that gives you the ability, I should say, an app debug bridge. So an application debug bridge that will give you the ability to uninstall even the applications that come at a foundational level on a device. Like sometimes you want to get rid of the YouTube app because it might be older, but if you have a device, it won't allow you. It'll allow you to disable it. Well, with this tool, especially within the next 4 weeks, they're going to allow you to be able not only to disable it, but to get rid of it. And that really helps that if you're on a device, say a smart TV that doesn't have a lot of memory, you can get rid of the unwanted bloatware by using this management system. So as you can see, or if you don't see it, it says the new app manager for Android TV, YouTube, Telegram, XDA, and all that. So it says it's easy to use. It helps you speed up. Your TV does not have the most powerful hardware. Disable bloatware applications and let it run faster. Everything is in one place. Controlling apps on the Android TV has never been easier. Now they have a TV version which will go on the Android TV boxes, and they also have what they call a PC version. So that way you can connect your PC, which ADB app control that does the same thing, but it does it from a standpoint of your PC. So if you have applications on your PC that you want to send to your device, you can use this manager to do that. And in my next video, I'm going to show how to do that. Each one of the devices, of course, have to be done in Wi-Fi, all right? And they have to be on the same network. It's just that simple. But in other words, it gives you the performance that you need because you can disable unwanted apps. You can tweak and make screenshots and even videos if need be. But when you have applications running in the background, you can simply get rid of them and manage the applications on your devices, whether it be smart TV, Android TV boxes. It's going to give you the the ability to do that. So as you can see, you got multiple apps installing. You have full split support for third-party apps, saving those files if you like to. You have permission manager for all applications. In other words, you can tell an application not to open, or you can tell an application to open, or you can disable that application, which I'll show you in a moment. But this is not only for the PC, but it's also for your devices, whether that be a smart TV or a media device, and even your phones. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and shift over and show you how clean this looks on my media device. I don't have a lot on that new device, but I want to let you see how it works and what it looks like, because this looks like a winner and they're going to keep it up because they just released it. So let's go to the next part of the video. All right, let's continue on our journey with this great new application called ADB TV. And what you're looking at is my recent video that I did about the Kinhawk G1. This is this device right now, and you can see it looks a little bit different from the first video that I've done, but I'm not going to go into that right now. What I'm going to do is go over to apps, and show you the app I'm talking. The application is called ADB TV, Application Debug Bridge. That's what that means, ADB TV. As I said previously, it's like a portal that gives you access to manage all of the applications on all your devices, not just your Android TV boxes like the Kinhawk, but also if you have this on your Samsung TV, it will work there. I paid for the Pro version, as you can see in the top right hand corner, and that is about $5.49. And that gives something back to the developer. Now, I found this in Google. I always look for different things and how it will help a streamer like myself and maybe like you to make things easier. Now, in 2024, it's apparent that we all like our devices. We like either Android devices, whether it be a Fire Stick, whether it be a tablet, whether it be an iPhone, an Apple TV. Everything is driven by devices. And so if you're able to control and manage all your devices between one app, I know there's ES Explorer, I know there's others, but so far this is the new guy on the block. So let's just take a look at some of the things. You can see I have a 105 applications. If I go and wanted to search, I could do a search for an app if I wanted to do that. If I go down to all, it's going to ask me if I want to look at the enabled apps, the disabled apps, the uninstalled apps, the system apps, or the user apps. I currently am in all, so I'm going to go to the system apps. As I go to the system apps, I have them, going from A to Z, alphabetically correct. And so I could always go through and look at all the different applications here from the system applications. And if I go to YouTube Music, let's say I don't want to use YouTube Music. Now, on most and Android applications or app managers, you can't get rid of this. If I go down to Actions, I can uninstall this. This application, even on the Pro level, will let you uninstall the bloatware on most devices, like whether it be a Samsung TV. They give you a list of apps foundationally, whether you factory reset or not, those applications just don't go away. Well, with ADB TV, you have the ability to uninstall it, even though it's a foundational app. You even have the ability, if it's on the same Wi-Fi network, the same network, to do it to your other devices, whether that be your phone, whether that be your tablet, whether that be any application that's on, I should say any device that's on your Wi-Fi network. So if I wanted to disable it, it's disabling it right now. And it's done. If I wanted to put it back, I could just go to enable. So I could go all the way through systems. You can see everything that's here. All the system apps that are definitely here. I don't know many things about it, but I don't really use the calendar storage. Do I really need that? Most things I don't need on calendar. These are things that you can actually, if you wanted to get rid of. On most devices, you cannot get rid of the calendar. I guess it depends on if you have the right app manager. All right. So I can look at those systems there. Let's say I want to do an install. This is really good. I can install from another device, which I'll do in another video, or an external drive, which is not a big deal. But if I go to the other device, it's going to open up and I have to be on the same network. And so they give you a QR code or a website where you can connect, and you put in this confirmation code giving you the ability to uninstall, to share, to network with everything that's on your network, which is really, really, really good. All right. Another thing I like about this is it'll allow you to, change some of the settings. If I wanted to do a dark theme, which I'm already on, and then there's also something called debloat, which is really awesome on the Pro feature. All right. As you learn everything that's here, you can set it by date when you had it, by name, by size. You can sort those things. I love the install part. If I wanted to do it from an external device, I could definitely do that as well by coming here, and it'll load up. It'll recognize the external device and give you the ability to do that 100% of the time, you know. So I think this is a win-win all the way across. Let me see something really quick. Let me see if it's going to recognize if I wanted to do this. So this is ADB TV. And so far, it has been a winner as I've uninstalled things, took off all the bloatware that I had. If I wanted to do the enabled apps, you'll see there they are right there. These are all the applications that are enabled. You know, so if I wanted to get rid of the background, if I wanted to get rid of the CW, if I wanted to get rid of, let's say, give me something. Let's say the download manager. Again, you can uninstall, open the settings, go here. It controls your settings. If you want to go into the settings and see the permissions, it'll give you the download manager if you want to allow the media. So it gives you app permission on every single application, which is awesome. So I would take a look at this. You don't have to get the pro version, but in my next video, I'm going to connect a drive, one of my drives, so I can, you know, see, for instance, if I have a drive, and you could see I have a drive, select for install, I have Blockada 5, all right? So if I wanted to install Blockada 5 here, I could just probably click on, there was a problem. Okay, I probably got to let the drive get connected. Sorry about that. So in my next video, I will show you how to use the drive that you have so you can install other apps that you like, install or sideload, and it worked pretty good. I just forgot to do one step that I'll do in the next video. Again, this application is called ADB TV. You can find it in the Google Play Store. It's brand new. And again, there's a free version and a pro version. And the pro version is only $5.49 one time. So that really just helps out the developer all the way across. So I want to give you guys a chance to take a look at this. Go to your Google Play Store, install it, try it out, tell me what you think. I think it should be a good thing, and we could take it from there in the next video. I'm going to go ahead and close out this video, and thank you guys for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. See you.